Yiota, the owner and designer. I run a small business with my husband Dino from our beautiful Scotland. I love designing modern, unusual cross-stitch kits with bright thread colors. We wind all threads in bobbins. They look like this. And our patterns are usually in the black and white symbols, so you can mark off with a highlighter the sections that you have stitched. They look like this, enlarged, large patterns. I hope you can support our small business and try one of our kits. We have a large variety from small to extra large, advanced and full coverage kits. Thank you so much for being here. I'm happy to answer any questions you may have. Bye for now.